Since I was already in Europe, I wanted to find a really fun and exciting way to get myself back over to New York from London.
This was my first time on a ship, and people did ask me why I was starting with a transatlantic crossing and not just a weekend Caribbean cruise.
My mother and her family took the Queen Mary and the Queen Elizabeth to Europe. Growing up hearing her talk about this amazing trip, I'd always heard of Cunard and the Cunard Queens, and when I could, in 1998, I took my first transatlantic crossing on the QE2.
Just remember that first view of the ship. It's just glorious.
Just to walk on that ship for the first time, the massive scale. She's just a magnificent liner. She's not a cruise ship, she is a true ocean liner.
And then when you enter the area, the vestibule, they have lineup of Cunard employees in their dress outfits to greet you, and you do feel really Hollywood.
I expected it to be a very elegant experience, and it certainly lived up to that.
It's a 5-star treatment. This is a 5-star floating hotel.
You really feel special. They treat you like everyone's in first class.
The service doesn't change according to the level of the cabin that you're on. It's consistent throughout the ship, and they call that Cunard White Star service, and it's outstanding.
There's something to be said for the luxury of familiarity and excellent customer service, and things that you know, but you have the excellent opportunity to experience something new every time you get on that ship.
You can't fill up 7 days with the amount of things there are to do on the ship.
There was plenty to do during the day. We've had lots of relaxation time. We went to the spa.
Every 10 to 15 minutes, something new is starting from sunup to sundown every day.
I didn't feel this need to get off at a different port and visit a city. I was 7 days on the ship. I had loads to do. I could relax when I wanted to. Food available all the time. Entertainment, shows, insight program, educational programs.
There's something for everyone.
It's been lovely. The food, the drink, the people, the atmosphere.
As a solo traveler, every time you take a transatlantic crossing, you could be anybody you want. When I pull on my beautiful red ball gown, I am a Hollywood star.
Being able to dress in formal wear for dinner a few times was lovely.
But if you want to be casual and you don't want to dress up, you don't have to. You know, we're such a small little speck on that vast ocean. It just makes you reflect.
And it forces you to get to know yourself better and your traveling companions better. It's unique, and I would encourage everybody to try it.
It's a trip of a lifetime. I challenge anybody to try to just do it once. It's very addictive.
And cruising is something which really gets a grip of you.
There's no better way to get back and forth across the ocean, and if you're even considering it, I say just go for it.
And you won't regret it. The only regret is, why didn't you do it sooner?
It's been an experience I won't forget.